This is a review activity of a topic within Mod 6 that we are working on in math. For number 1, A and B, write the tens and ones, complete this statement. So look at the 10 trains or 10 sticks, and the extra ones, fill in the place value chart. How many tens, how many ones? Then you're going to fill in the statement, blank equals blank tens, blank ones. B, same thing, look at the tens and ones, fill in the place value chart. There are blank cubes. Number 2, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So letter A, they give you the number, fill in the tens and ones on the place value chart. Here's the place value chart filled in. This is how many tens, this is how many ones. What does that number equal? Number 3, A, B, C, and D. You're going to count the objects and fill in the number bond or place value chart. Complete the sentences to add the tens and ones. So each letter has a picture of quick tens and ones, and you need to fill in if there's a number bond. Remember, one part should be how many tens, the other part should be how many ones. And remember, this is the whole, so how many does it equal in all? Then 30 and 5 make blank. So 30 plus 5 equals blank. Same thing for letter B. They have the quick tens and ones. Remember, how many tens? What does that number equal? Not just there's 2 tens, but 2 tens equals what? And then all these ones equals what? What is the whole? 27 equals blank plus blank. 7 more than 20 is blank. Now C, it's the same thing. Fill in your number bonds for the tens and ones. What's the whole? Blank plus blank equals blank. Then down here, blank tens plus blank ones equals how many in all? D, no number bond. Instead, they give you a place value chart. So how many tens are there? How many ones are there? Blank equals blank plus blank. Blank ones plus blank tens equals blank in all. All right, number 4. Complete the sentences to add the tens and ones. A, 60 plus 5 equals. B, blank plus 7 equals 57. C, 7 tens plus blank ones equals 74. And D, 6 ones plus 8 tens equals blank. Pause if you need to. 5, solve. You may draw or cross off to show your work. Here's your tens, here's your ones. So what would 1 more than 65 be? Write it on the line. Remember, you need to draw to show what would 1 more look like. Here, 10 more than 65 is blank. So draw to show, or X off, if it's 10 more, what would that look like? And then what does it equal? Number 6, find the mystery numbers. Use the arrow way to explain how you know. A, 10 less than 69 is blank. So fill in the place value chart for the starting number. Don't forget, right above the arrow, what do they do? If it's 10 less, is it minus 10? Is it plus 10? And then what is the ending number that would be 10 less than 69 on the line and then on the place value chart? B, 1 less than 69 is blank. Starting number on the place value chart, and then above the arrow, remember, right, is it plus 1, minus 1, plus 10, minus 10 if it's 1 less? And then what is the ending number on the place value chart? How many tens, how many ones? And what's the ending number? For these two, A and B, if you need to draw a picture using your whiteboard and marker or your cubes, do that, but do not guess. And the last one, number 7, fill in the missing numbers in each box. A, write the number that is 1 more. 99. What number is 1 more? B, write the number that is 10 more. 30. 10 more than 30 would be blank. Not just counting, but what's 10 more than the number 30? Write that on the line. Now C and D, they have a pattern going. They may be counting one more, they may be counting by tens. You have to figure it out and write what number would be next. 88, 87, 86, blank. What number would be next? D, 70, 60, 50, blank. What number would be next?